In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use named ranges with Excel VLOOKUP formula. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and make sure you have a worksheet ready for practice. In this example, we're working with a simple product table because it makes it easy to see how VLOOKUP works with named ranges. The sample data includes 3 columns: product, price, and stock. The items are laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitor, and printer, and the table is located in cells A2 through C6. Before we use any formula, it's helpful to understand why named ranges matter. Normally, a VLOOKUP formula might point to a cell range like A2:C6. That works, but it can be harder to read and maintain, especially in larger spreadsheets. By assigning a meaningful name to that range, such as products, your formulas become much clearer and easier to update later. Now select the full data range from A2 to C6. Once it's highlighted, go to the name box, which is located to the left of the formula bar. Click inside that box, type the name Products, and then press Enter. At this point, your table has been assigned a named range. That means Excel can now recognize products as a reference to the entire table. Next, let's use VLOOKUP with that named range. Suppose cell E2 contains the word keyboard. In another cell, enter this formula: equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, E2, comma, products, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to look for the value in E2 inside the products table, then return the value from the second column with an exact match required. Since keyboard appears in the table, Excel returns 75, which is the price. You can also return a value from a different column by changing the column number in the formula. For example, if you want the stock amount instead of the price, use equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, E2, comma, products, comma, 3, comma, false, close parenthesis. This time, Excel returns 60 because that's the stock value for keyboard in the third column. Finally, it's a good idea to handle cases where the product might not exist in the table. To prevent an error from showing, wrap the VLOOKUP inside IFERA. Enter this formula, equals IFERA, open parenthesis, VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, E2, comma, products, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis, comma, quote, not found, quote, close parenthesis. If Excel can't find a match, it will display not found instead of an error. And that's how to use named ranges with VLOOKUP in Excel.